close my eyes and see you in the kitchen now. Smell the dinner cooking, Papa in his chair. While all the world is gone, peaceful, unaware, in a cabin in the woods. Jenny May, you won't say a word. The world will never know all of your hurt. You still love and show me what it's worth. What it's worth. Jenny May, I know you're watching over me. I can feel the summer through your canopy. Swimming in the lake and drying in your breeze, while your birds sing to me. While your birds sing to me. Jenny May, you won't say a word. The world will never know all of your hurt. You still love and show me what it's worth. What it's worth.
We've plumbed in the second IBC with a gravity fed pipe that just runs down here to a water point, a hose connection. So we've got a hose and a gun for watering up here. It needs a longer hose on it, but we'll get that in the future. Then it runs down here all the way down to Mandy's Polytunnel and down to the tap there. So Mandy's happy that she's got a point to get water and get everything watered. So yeah, very, very simple, not much to go wrong with it, which is good. Yeah, so that's that one done, and we have another tank up at the top, IBC tank, that we'll just use as a spare. Keep it full just in case the others run out. I can just swap them over quite easily. Yeah, so that's that little job done.
I've been busy. So we got to, before when we showed you, this rock just here. So this were the line straight up from here. So I've managed to get right over to there done. So as you can see, piles upon piles upon piles upon piles of broom. Absolutely loads of it. It's so thick. But I came out this morning and over the past few days I got to about here. So I came out this morning and did this bit and my pruners broke. Anyway, the good thing is they're still under warranty, so they can be returned and we'll get a refund and we can get some more. But it just means that I'll have to try and get the small ones out with a hand, the normal pruners, and then the big ones, maybe the rip saw, or I'll wait till I get some more. It all depends on timing because we're on a time limit on this, so yeah, there's still quite a bit to do, but the majority is now done. So yeah, so we need to clear all this off and then get it all trimmed back. So yep, good progress. I'm pleased with where we've got to so far. And then when that's done, we start on this lot. It's not actually, if I have a look from this way, up this side there's a lot of brambles, but if you look across there's not too much broom in there. Brambles I hate, but they can be trimmed back, those. And then it's just clearing all this dead wood out of this bit. And yeah, and trees. But yeah, we'll get there. We will get there. So I just wanted to show you this. Sorry, I'm a bit out of breath. I've just walked up this hill. So this is white broom. So it only really gets this big, which is up to my chest, and it's got multiple stalks, if you can see them at bottom. White broom, after some research, you have to remove the roots, because even if you cut it back, it still comes back and it keeps coming back. That tall one there is yellow broom, and it's currently starting to bud. So according to the internet, if you cut it back when it's coming into bloom, budding, the yellow broom, if you cut it at the base, don't come back, it kills it. And thankfully all the broom that we've been cutting is yellow, so it shouldn't come back on that banking. Now when we moved over here, where the mine collapse is, there on this top terrace, we had lots of yellow broom, basically like it is over there, or was over there. And we cut it all back, and as you can see, no broom. It's not come back. So that, what we're doing over here, should stay clear. There is the odd little bit, this bit here, that's white broom, but there's not a lot of it. not a lot at all. So we'll just pull these or dig these out by roots and then it's done. They're shouting at me. What are you doing? Shush, 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 shush. It's fine. What are you doing? See, you don't mean it. You don't mean it really, do you? No, you see. Just walk away. Now that I've got a few more things planted outside, I've refilled all the trays. So we've now got in more or less everything. Lettuces didn't do anything apart from the odd few, so I've tried another packet, a different make, to see if they work. Not a lot happening under here, but some peas are starting to come up. Radishes, French beans, but yeah, not a lot happening yet. But it's all there, ready to go. So I've now got some of the lettuces in that did alright. And I've weeded all that and got the potatoes in at last. So that's another big job done. So these have had a really good water, and within a day or two, lots more flowers. So lots of strawberries. And same with the rhubarb. It's doing really well. And then we've got these just hardening off, spring onions and leeks, so they can go out soon. And the asparagus is growing really quickly. Really quickly. But we can't harvest this until next year, so... But it's doing well. Still no goose eggs. So we have 4 nesting boxes in here. And look, they all argue over the same. Give up pecking her. Go on. Over the same one. So yeah, we have a broken one in there by the looks of it. 6 eggs, so the chickens tend to make up for no goose eggs at the moment.
So again this week, Adrian's been working on the car, working his magic. So thank you, Adrian. Much better than it was. Still got problems, but it does one thing now that it's never done since we've had it. And I'll show you what that thing is.
First time. And that's been sat for 2 days without turning it over. I was just saying, we hadn't started it for 2 days.
No. First time since we've had it. I'll turn it off, it's a bit noisy. Yeah, it's a bit windy out here, so I'll speak a bit louder than I normally do. Adrian, you're a magician. Thank you. I've had a little upgrade on the water system. I've brought the feed pipe from the tanks inside the garage. Previously it was outside. So I've brought it in. This pipe goes to the kitchen, one of them. This one down by my foot. And the other one goes to the washing machine. Previously we had to put hose pipes on it and run it across the road to the water tap, but now it's got its own feed and it can sit there and work properly.
Hooray!
Yay!
And when the dog stopped being really nosy,
I think it's biscuits.
after weeks and weeks of waiting, they actually got the right colour grout in stock. So we can finish the grouting the tiles in the basement at last. But that's a job for next week.
Oh, chicken's here.
Oh, somebody else to nosy. She's into everything, isn't she?
Yeah. Proper nosy.
Something new. Bok, bok.
Oh.
Are you posing? You posing?
Mandy's bought some wooden stakes with pointed ends, so I think she's after Dracula. But I think we're going to use them as stair
Railings.
railing things going up the stairs with a thin gap so the dogs can't fall through them. I've yet to figure out exactly how I'm going to do it, but yeah, that's the intention.
And on a budget.
Yeah. So, what's for tea tonight, man?
No idea.
Steak.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, you should be. I've just gone down the lane to show you a couple of houses. Well, houses so to speak. To try and explain a little bit about things. That up there is a ruin, but it's a barn. It's an agricultural support building. Now, you're allowed to stay in these a couple of nights a week when you're tending your land, but not full time. If it's got an urban article, which is its footprint, then you can apply and get permission to make it into a habitable place. If it's not got an urban article, then you've got a fight on your hands. Now this is a kind of property that would be picked up cheap in Portugal, even if it's got a lot of land, because you can't legally live in it. And it takes a lot to get permission to change its status. So if you are out there and you're looking to buy, try stay clear of the things that are listed as agricultural support buildings, because it'll cost you money, more time, and then it's not guaranteed that you will ever be able to live in that place. So we'll go further down and I'll show you what a proper house looks like. Same place from the side view. So I think it has one opening as a window and one door. Very roughly built. You can spot them a mile off when you know what you're looking for. So personally, I would stay well clear of buildings like this. Now this one is obviously a house. It'll be pre-1951 and it probably will have an habitation licence, or it'll be a lot easier to get one. The difference, you can see the difference just by looking at them. Now both of these, I've no idea whether they're up for sale. They're both abandoned. Whether they've still got owners that are alive, I don't know. But this one would be a lot, it'd probably be more expensive, but at least you know you've got all that stuff in place. And you can see ours up on the hill there. Ours is pre-1951 and it had a habitation licence. It were abandoned. It wasn't a ruin as such, but it was abandoned. And as with everything, we can legally live in that house full time. And that also means that, oh, it's getting a bit windy. That also means that you have to register with the Junta de Fresia, which is the local council in the village. And if there is ever a fire that passes through here, they then know that we live in that house, and they will send assistance from the fire brigade to assist us to keep the fire away from the house. Now, if you buy anything like the other property and you can't legally live there, you can't register it in the village, and the fire brigade don't know you're there or don't acknowledge that you live in there full time. That's the problem. That's the biggest danger to living in a property that's not a legal place to live. I'm just walking back now. The other thing is that we have house and contents insurance because we are legally living in our property. It's got all the paperwork. It's not about anything else. It's about having that either permission with an urban article or a habitation licence. And if a fire did come through, we're insured and we could rebuild it from the insurance. If you're not legally living in a building and it's not registered with anybody, you can't get insurance because it's not legal. It's nothing to do with being off-grid. There's millions of people that are totally off-grid who have got house insurance and contents insurance. It's all to do with if the house is legal or not, whether you've got the permissions to live there. So, for anybody looking to buy anywhere over here, I just thought I'd give you a bit of a heads up. So it's not always about it being cheap, it's the property that you need to do your own work about. So, anybody looking for anywhere, I hope that helps because it can save you a lot of money in the long run. And I'm going up a hill now, so I'll let you go. That's another example of a house. right up on top of the hillside at the back of us. Again, abandoned, no idea whether it's for sale or not, but you can clearly see the difference. Definitely a house. And that one there, up on the hillside, is an agricultural support building. That's a single story, one door, possibly one window. Too small. It's really small. So it's an agricultural support building.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. What else do you do?
Give us a big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up, leave us a comment, and hype us.
It really does help.
It does, it
Yeah.
does. It's a huge help.
This week's video has been pretty much a repeat of last week, but we need to get that bit done. But next week we're going to do a few more bits inside, and hopefully we have had a bit of a surprise package and we can get on, but we'll show you that next week.
Yeah.
Just a little update on Katrina, our cat. She still hasn't appeared yet, but the thing that I'm hanging on to is that she's a farm cat. She's a good hunter, and if she is out there, she can feed herself, and there's plenty of water about, so she's got water as well. Hopefully, she's just having a little adventure, or a big adventure. And she comes home soon, but I just wanted to let you know what we're happening there. So I think on that note, we have been out today to some friends, and
they've offered us some work. Just basic garden maintenance.
land, a bit of land clearing.
Yeah,
as such.
general work around the house, not inside the house.
And it's regular work, so at least we've got a little bit coming in to try and help us get by.
Yeah.
Until the tax office decide to sort themselves out, which they haven't done yet.
Yeah.
But, yep, there we go.
Yeah. So tomorrow's another day, and we'll tackle it all head on as usual. So on that note, look after yourselves. Have a great week. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Bye.